Managing relationships between records doesn't have to be a manual process. With the associated records workflow action, you can automatically create relationships between contacts, companies, opportunities, and custom objects based on matching criteria you define, keeping your CRM organized as new records are being created. Here's how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub-account, the first thing you want to make sure you have is a custom object. To create one, go over to Settings in the bottom left-hand side, come up to Objects. You will see I have a custom object called Cars. If you want to create your own, click on Add Custom Object in the top right corner. From there, you can start from scratch or use a template. Click on Continue. If you're using a template, then select one of the options. I will choose Properties and Transactions. Click Choose, review the items, and click on Import Objects. Once it's been created, it will show up over here. Now we can make our way over to the automations by clicking Go Back in the top left corner, coming down to Automation, and then in the top right corner, click on Create Workflow and start from scratch. We're going to say that the trigger is going to be that somebody filled out a form, and the answers they put on that form, we're going to associate a record. To do that, click on Add New Trigger, type in Form, click on Form Submitted. I'm going to choose one of my forms, click on Save Trigger, and now we want to add an associate record action. To do that, click on the plus button over here, type in associate records, and come down to this action. Like it says at the top here, you can create an association between the object and a record from a different object. Just below that, you can select the object that you want to create the association with. So just click on it, choose your object, click on Add Field if you want to add additional filter conditions. For example, I can select bedrooms down here, say that it's greater than or equal to, and then let's say 2. Then below that, if you click on this drop-down menu, we can associate with the earliest record created, associated with the latest created record, and associate with all matching records. I'm going to leave it as the second option, and then under the association label, we want to pair that contact with the listed property. Then click on Save Action. It's going to automatically associate that contact with the listed property that matches that condition. From there, if you go back to one of your contact records and choose a contact, in my case, who filled out that form, you'll see on the right-hand side here, under the correct custom object, the associated record will be added. And that's how you can use the associated records workflow action right inside of HighLevel to automatically create relationships between CRM records and build more powerful connected automations. For more information about this, head over to our blog at gohighlevel.com/blog to check it out. The link's on the description below.